Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful people. Today I'll be making plasas with coconut oil. I have my lamb meat here, my dry fish, cow belly, smoked chicken, cow kanda. I have my onions in here, my spring onion. I have my main cassava leaf. There's the plasas here. I have my smoked fish, my hot pepper. I have handful of okra, my seafood, my garden egg, my fresh fish. I'm gonna steam it because I already have smoked fish here, so I'm gonna steam this one. So I have my butter beans, my seasoning. I have my seafood seasoning cube here for taste, salt. You need your peanut butter. I'm adding my meat in my boiling hot water. I'm putting my cow belly in there. I'm going to be putting my dry fish. I'm going to be adding my peanut butter. Well, it depends how many cassava leaf you are cooking. You can have half of peanut butter in there, or if you want, you can use all of them. I'm going to be using half peanut butter. My meat is not boiled, so I'm going to put in my peanut butter. I use 3 spoons. Now I'm gonna be adding my cassava leaf. Sometimes if you buy your cassava leaf, you find it that it's a bit chunky. So what you are gonna do is just put it in your smooth blender and just blend it. So I'm gonna be adding my coconut paste. I'm adding it now because it's a bit dry. There's one here. Now I'm gonna be adding my smoked chicken and my cow kanda, my pomo, my smoked chicken and my pomo. I'm gonna add it in my cassava leaf into my plaza. As you can see now, the plaza, the water is going a bit down. I'm going to be adding my blended pepper. I mean, when you are cooking cassava leaf plasas, it will mess your whole gas cooker. Cassava leaf mess. I'm gonna be adding my seafood in there. I'm gonna be adding my chili, and then I'll be adding my coconut oil. I'm cooking with coconut oil. I have added my coconut oil. I'm gonna be adding my jahato. Some people call it bitter tomato, some people call it garden egg. And then after that, a little bit later, I'm gonna be adding my butter beans in there. I'm gonna be adding my fish. My cassava leaf is now ready, my plasas. My beautiful people, friends and family. That's my plasas is ready. You can cook it with palm oil or coconut oil or olive oil. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment, thumbs up. If you love what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment. Thank you so much, everyone.